Hi there. Today, I'm gonna give her bam, ta-da! The cookie for dogs is yogurt flavor. Yogurt. Do you like yogurt? And this one is like a Christmas gift from my friend for my baby. Did you have like? I just want to ask everyone. Did you have nice Christmas party or like this any celebration? Something fun? I just had KFC chicken, like so many Japanese people do, with my friend, with my family, and yeah, it was fun. And we also had a lovely shortcake. She's looking at the. I can't open this. It's so hard. Right. And yeah, sometimes she doesn't like. She doesn't like some biscuits or cookies or some snacks. Is not her favorite, but this yogurt one is now her best one. She loves it. She's looking at this. Okawari? 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 No? Okawari? Yes. Good girl. あってあってじゃああって頑張れあって Yes, good girl. She's looking at me. 伏せ伏せno space for 伏せ。伏せThey can't do that. Alright, then maybe I'm gonna give you half of this. Can I? Yes. Yes. Wait. Yes. Nice. Nice. Crispy, crunchy sound. Oh, no, not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet, baby. Right. You really want this, right? 伏せ伏せ伏せ伏せ She can't do this today. Faster? Faster? お願い Please. She did please. Good girl. Right. Yes. She ran away. Right. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give a like to this video. And we wish everyone having a lovely holidays. Bye bye.